everyone, today we are going to see the project name called Emotion Detection. So, in our project, human emotions play an important role in communication and behavior. Traditionally, emotion recognition was done manually by observing facial expressions, which is a subjective or not reliable for real time applications. So, to overcome this, our project uses a deep learning, especially a convolutional neural network CNN to detect emotions from facial images. CNNs are very effective for image based tasks because they can automatically learn important features such as facial expressions, edges, shapes, and without manual feature extractions. So, in this project, facial images are classified into five emotions: angry, fear, happy, neutral, and sad. The images are first converted into grayscale and resized to pixels and normalized to improve learning efficiency. The CNN model is trained using these processed images and then saved for real time usage. So, after the trained model is integrated into our Flask based web application that supports the user login, live webcam emotion detection, image capture, and emotion based song recommendation. OpenCV is used for the face detection and real time video processing, while SQLite is used for the secure user authentication. So, overall, in our project demonstrates how deep learning can be effectively applied to build a real-time interactive emotion detection system. So this is our block diagram. So in the first block, it is the user interface. So where web application developed by using a Flask. So here the user can log in and access the emotion detection model through this interface. Then the next block is image acquisition. So here facial images are captured in real time using a webcam. Then OpenCV is used to continuously read the video frames from the camera. So after the captured images are sent to our image pre-processing block. So in this stage, the images are converted into 40 by into 48 pixels and it is resized and normalized. After that, it is sent to our CNN model. So after pre-processing, the image passes through the face detection block. So here, Har cascade classifier is used to detect the face region from the image. So here it is only detected the face. So after the extracted face image is given to the CNN feature extraction block. So here the convolutional and pooling layers of the CNN automatically learn the facial features related to the emotions. Next, the emotion classification block. So here the fully connected layer and softmax function classify the extracted features into one of the five emotion categories. So at last, finally, the result is displayed and also the recommendation of the song. So this is our training code. First, we are importing all the necessary libraries and then we are setting the data set path and then we are setting the labels. We have a five labels like angry, fear, happy, neutral, and sad. In that folder, it will take the images resized. After that, the images are normalized. So this is for a training and testing split. So here we are used for 80% training and 20% for a testing purpose. And then we are reshaping our images based on our CNN requirement. So here we are training our CNN model. After the training, our model will be saved in the name of emotion underscore model.hfi with the epoch of 25 and batch size of 32. We had trained our model. So we are using categorical cross entropy. If you have a more than two class means we use the categorical cross entropy or else we will use the binary. So this is our app code. So we used a Flask for integrating back into front end. Here also first we are importing all the necessary libraries. So here whatever the input we are giving, those things will be saved in the upload folder. That upload folder will be stored inside the static folder. So here we are load our emotion model. We are defining our labels and then this is for song suggestion. So if angry means what song should be suggest for that thing, we are defining here for angry, fear, happy, sad, and neutral for five classes also. After that, we are creating our database. So our database name is users.tb. So in our database, we are storing our name, email, phone, and password. So this is for a webcam. So we are using HAR Cascade for recognizing our face. So initially it will be a neutral face only. These are all our routers, video feed, and stop camera and capture, clear captures, predicted captures, login, register, log out, about contact prediction. These are all our routers. For capturing our images, first we need to log in. Once after the login, took the latest frame emotion, and then after it will be redirect to our prediction. Once after the prediction, result will be stored in our upload folder. So this is our prediction route. So in the prediction, first we need to log in and the captures images will be sent to our prediction. So in our prediction, it will be pre-processed, like resized and normalized how we had trained in our training phase. Then only our model will recognize. So after that, processed frames are sent to our model. So our model will predict whether it is angry or sad or neutral. This is our login router. So for login, it asks the email and password. So once if you give the email password, means then it will check our database. If those candidate is already registered, means then it will allow us to predict, or else it will show some invalid email or password like danger error. So this is our register. For registration, we need to provide our name and email, phone, password. Then that records will be stored in our database. Once if you run the code means then it will give on link. We need to follow that link. So this is our web page. So emotion detection. So directly we can get started from here also once if you're logged in means, or else here we have a login register about contact buttons. So first we will register. So for registration, we need to give our name and email, phone number and password. Then we'll register. So in the login, we need to provide the same email and password which we had used for a registration. Once after login, it will redirect to our prediction page. So this is our prediction page. So emotion detection, this is a live camera feed and we have four buttons like capture frames, predict captures, clear captures, and stop camera. First, we need to capture the frames. So based on the frames, if you click the predict captures means then it will predict whether it is a sad, angry, neutral, or happy. So if you want to clear captures means you need to click the clear captures button. And if you want to stop the camera means the stop camera button. So if you click the capture frame means then our frames will be captured. So if you click predict capture means it will predict this is sad and it will suggest the song also. If you click the song means then it will redirect to our YouTube. So this is the song. It suggests for us to listen and we are sad. Now we'll back to our camera. We can continuously click captures also. Based on that, it will predict. Based on the frames, it will predict. So now we'll stop the camera. So based on that captures, we'll predict. So it suggested a song. So for a neutral, we'll see a song. So this is a song. It suggested for a neutral. So now we'll back to our prediction page. So if you click the back to camera means, then it starts detecting the frames. We click clear captures means, then our captures will be clear. So now we'll back to our home page. So this is our homepage. So here we have about button, about of our emotion detection. What are the key features we use? Everything will be defined here. So if you click the back button, then it will redirect to our web page. So here we have a contact button. If you have any queries, so here we can contact here.